Guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, welcome to the channel. I haven't been posting very often because I got the flu. I got really sick last week and I spent 3 days in bed, pretty much did absolutely nothing. It's been a week and a half since I got sick. So I have a pretty nasty cough. And runny nose. I mean, still feeling pretty weak, but I've still been kind of doing stuff at the new location. First being, I kind of got my office set up, more or less. I bought a space heater so I don't have to heat up the whole building. I bought a box for keys that's gonna go into the kitchen. This is kind of what the setup looks like. I mean, clearly ignore the slight mess and whatnot. One filing cabinet is here. The other one is actually going to go here also, and I'll keep all of my paperwork and whatnot here away from customers' eyes. I think keys will be here since, you know, it could be locked from both sides. Still need to get a fridge. The other two offices are still completely empty. I guess the other big thing is I got most of my cars brought here. Only one of Andy's cars is at the new location. And his car is the first Mini right here. Mine is the second one, and pretty much everything else is here. All the cars are up for sale except that Ford Escape. If you guys are following the channel, I had a lot of work done to it. I actually took it in to get detailed. And then on the way here, check engine light came on. So it still has a few outstanding issues that I will need to take care of. The Chrysler Sebring, waiting on the title for that car, and it will need a new intake manifold replaced, which I have. And then that car will need to get detailed. This is still kind of a mess. Clearly I can't move this big table in by myself, which will probably go right here. That's for when Andy will be here. This is my old desk. I haven't wiped it down or anything, but this will be kind of the coffee station and whatnot. Hot water. We'll probably put a TV up here and a couch somewhere around here in the corner. The property owner is supposed to come up. I actually see him coming right now. There are a few outstanding issues with the property that need to get taken care of. So he's stopping by so we could chat with him. I'm gonna turn on the lights here for now. But yeah, this is a short video, kind of an update of what's going on. I know I've been MIA, but I've been sick. I haven't been this sick in many years, and the more I talk, the more I cough. And I apologize. Look at that. It started to snow. It is really, really, really cold out. But done here for the day. Quick update for you guys. I gotta run a few errands. Pick up my mail. Stop by Costco real quick, and then I can head home and rest and wait until I feel as close to 100% as I can. Guys, thank you for watching. I know it was short. I just been sick, and I haven't been really doing much of anything. Take care, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.